Hello friends, welcome back. Let's try to solve this interesting problem. If alpha and beta are zeros of a polynomial x square minus px plus q, find the value of alpha square by beta square plus beta square by alpha square. Let's try to understand what the value we have to find out. Let's try to simplify this. If I take LCM, I'll have alpha square beta square, and it will be alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4. First of all, we know that alpha beta are zeros, so we know the relation between the zeros and the coefficient, so I can say alpha plus beta equal to p, that is minus b by a, and product alpha beta equal to c by a, that is q. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4. For that, our approach will be to start with, first we'll start with alpha plus beta, then we'll find out alpha square plus beta square, then we'll find out alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4. We know alpha plus beta equal to p. If you square it on both sides, we'll have alpha plus beta whole square equal to p square, that's nothing but alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta equal to p square. Or can I say alpha square plus beta square equal to p square minus 2 alpha beta, that's equal to 2q. Now if you take alpha square plus beta square, whatever the value we got, we square it on both sides, that's nothing but equal to alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 plus 2 alpha square beta square, that's nothing but equal to p square minus 2q whole square. What we want is alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4. So can I write alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 equal to p square minus 2q whole square minus 2 into alpha square beta square. Can I say alpha beta whole square? That's nothing but equal to p square minus 2q whole square minus 2q square. This is equal to a minus b whole square is a square p power 4 minus 2ab, that's equal to minus 4p square q plus b square is 4q square and minus 2q square. This is equal to p power 4 minus 4p square q plus 2q square. This is alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4. What we want is alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 divided by alpha square beta square, that's equal to nothing but p power 4 minus 4p square q plus 2q square divided by alpha square beta square is q square, because we know alpha beta is q. This is nothing but equal to p power 4 by q square minus 4p square by q plus 2. So we have been given alpha beta are the zeros of this equation polynomial x square minus px plus q. We have to find out the value of alpha square plus beta square, alpha square by beta square plus beta square by alpha square. We simplified, we found that it's equal to alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4 by alpha square beta square. We have to calculate the value of alpha to the power of 4 plus beta to the power of 4. We started with alpha plus beta. we move to alpha square plus beta square. Then we calculated the value of alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4. That we divided with alpha square beta square. Alpha square beta square, we found that the value is equal to p power 4 divided by q square minus 4p square by q plus 2. So we'll see one more example in the coming session. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.